Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change the language of Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's get started. The language of Premiere Pro is typically chosen by the user during installation, but there are times when you may want to change it after installing the program. As you can see, everything is in Spanish in my program, but don't worry. To change the language, you will need to go into the console window, which is not very user-friendly, to manually type your language there. To do this, press Ctrl F12 into your keyboard, or if you have a Mac computer, you will need to press Fn Command F12. Now, the console window will appear. Click on the menu button at the top left corner, then select Debug Database View. In the search field that appears, type in language. Here you'll find the option we're interested in. In my case, it currently reads ES, since my Premiere Pro is in Spanish. We need to change this to the code corresponding to the language we want. I'll provide a link in the description where you can search for your language and find the specific code you need to input here. In my case, I'll change it to English, so I'll type EN_US. Now, the language should be updated. We need to restart the program to apply the changes, so I'll quickly close it and reopen it. There you go. Everything is now in English. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.